Senator Grace Poe has stressed the need for various sectors to help in the anti-poverty campaign of the government. Senator Poe was the guest at the Gawad Kalinga's Goodbye Gutom feeding program. This report.
Senator Grace Poe Llamanzares joined Gawad Kalinga in feeding 1,000 street dwellers from Quezon City yesterday morning. In her speech, the senator praised GK's Goodbye Gutom feeding program and reminded that the government should not neglect the empty stomachs of our countrymen.
Sa tingin ko yung pamahalaan, pag nakita naman nila na may iba't ibang klase ng kagutuman at iba't ibang grupo, makikita nila kung dito kulang sila ng tao, pwede sila mag-partner up, di ba? Sa mga may kredibilidad na mga organisasyon na alam naman natin subok na ang kanilang serbisyo. Lahat ng mga hindi nagugutom, dapat tulungan yung mga nagugutom. Alam mo, ako yung nagpapasalamat sa Gawad Kalinga na ginagawa ito at sa abot ng aking makakaya kung sino mga kausap natin, kaharap natin, dapat talaga lahat tayo ipaalam natin na may programang ganito.
GK volunteers prepared breakfast as early as 3 a.m. for 1,000 street dwellers from NPO Road, Nia Road, and other parts of Quezon City. Compared to other feeding programs, what is notable in GK's Goodbye Gutom is that former GK beneficiaries from the urban poor sector served as the volunteer force and even contributed the little that they have to feed the hungry.
Sabi po nila, ang mag-ano kami ng 5 pesos per beneficiaries kasi 325 kami. Kailangan po namin ibalik sa iba. Ibalik namin po ang share namin na ang blessings na tinatanggap po namin. Siguro sa maliit na paraan, doon po kami makakatulong sa GK na binigay po sa amin. Masarap po pakiramdam kasi kahit wala pa kaming tulog, eto po sama-sama kami.
For Senator Grace Poe and Gawad Kalinga, small gestures like today's event is a good start towards building a nation where no one will be left behind. And the best proof of that is if every Filipino is free from hunger and poverty. For People's Television, this is Shai Laman reporting.